Okay, camera's filming.
I'll
get that for you.
Morey Field, Cessna 352, Mike Echo, departing runway 28. We'll be leaving the area to the east. All area traffic advised, Morey.
You gotta turn your things to 42.
What things?
The pointers, if you want the autopilot to work. Wow, this is kind of cool looking at the trees out there, ain't it? And so abatement here said turn to 300 degrees when possible and stay below 1800.
Yeah, we're at 300 for the most part.
Okay.
Oh, that's not 300.
Right, no, we went, yep, there you
I'm
go.
making it more noisy for them over there. But
okay.
that's the reason, is the housing.
Yes.
There.
Okay. And then the message is it wants you to turn your 42. Yep. Hit clear on the yes. Clear. There you go. And one turn. One more. Oh, oh. There you go. Get you this going.